Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on our Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family and our very special guest this week, my lovely friend and amazing artist Tonja from Creations with Tonja. She is just one of my favourite artists and just such an amazing person, so I hope you all checked her out and subscribed to her channel. If not, why not? Go there, run, do it now. Anyway, today we're going to have some fun with some CA swipes and radials. So let's turn on the tunes, have some fun, kick back, tap those toes. Let's go.
A quick look from the backseat. City going by as we're passing streets. Dim lights in a basement dive. Leather jacket in my whiskey, me and I can't find a way to compromise unless I'm looking in your eyes. And I know we're leaving all the rules behind. Welcome to the wild. Every man for himself. Welcome to the wild. I'm crazy. No one wants you, no one else. And I won't waste another hour. Baby, you don't know your power. I'll take you to the wild. Lady, sing welcome to the wild. Midnight on Mulholland Drive. I take the wheel and you close your eyes. You know I love the chase and we don't hesitate. A little danger makes you feel right. And I know everybody wants you, but they can't do what I do. Yeah, I feel like there's nothing left to lose. I don't got you. Welcome to the wild. It's every man for himself. Welcome to the wild. I'm crazy. No one wants you, no one else. And I won't waste another hour. Baby, you don't know your power. I'll take you to the wild. Lady, sing welcome to the wild. Big city, lost in a crowd. Come with me where we're not allowed. 'Cause you're looking like trouble, but you got no place to go. But let me tell ya, this city, it's a jungle. Welcome to the wild. It's every man for himself. Welcome to the wild. I'm crazy. No one wants you, no one else. And I won't waste another hour. Baby, you don't know your power. I'll take you to the wild. Lady, sing welcome to the wild. know that I was there for you. Burning, I'm burning, my soul inside is burning. I'm searching for a way back home to you. I told the stars your name. Can you hear me calling out? Hear me calling out. Oh oh, I told the stars your name. Can you hear me calling out? Hear me calling out now.
Can I call you mine? Are we taking it slow? I can't read your mind. Sometimes I feel like I'm here alone. Don't need a wedding vow. Just tell me how you in or out. It ain't fair, baby. The way you got me hanging on. You got me hanging on. Oh, you got me hanging on. You got me hanging on. Oh. Baby, the night that we met was amazing, but it feels like your love has gone missing. Oh, nah, 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 show me I'm the one you want, 'cause it's everything or nothing. If you wanna be with me, I need your all and nothing less than. I can't go on in between, 'cause it's everything or nothing. sweat. A pheromone equation, desires of the flesh. Please don't keep me waiting, I'm losing my grip. Denial is overrated. Give into this. Just think of you, me, us, we, all hot, heavy. You, me, us, we, pure lust, instinct. You, me, us, we, all hot, heavy. We got that chemistry, mixture of you and me. I'm on a high dose of emotion, our chemical, our potion. Got that chemistry, chemistry. Never catch me changing your timeless effect. Together we're unshaken in our element. With you I'm not afraid to experiment. A risk I'll gladly take over again. Just think of you, me, us, we, all hot, heavy. You, me, us, we, pure lust, instinct. You, me, us, we, all hot, heavy. We got that chemistry, mixture of you and me. I'm on a high dose of emotion, our chemical, our potion. Got that chemistry,
Alrighty then, so that was an adventure. I had a bit of fun with that one. I love the little tribal effect around the outside here. I think that's pretty super cool. It floated my boat anyway. If not, you didn't like it, too bad. I thought it was pretty friggin' cool. And that radial centre, I tell you what, I really thought I buggered that radial for a minute, but, you know, can always fix it with that extra CA swipe. So I have done 2 reels this week because I had a little bit of a panic attack, and when I first did before I spun it out, I should say, I just went, oh, that's sexy. We better get a reel in case I spin it and it all goes bad. So you're getting a 2 for there for the reels. Before spin, after spin. Hope you enjoyed. And next up after me today, we have the dynamic duo, my big brother and my amazing big sister, Tonja and Cat Pender from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So jump over to the next chat because the Fluid Art Express never finishes until we have our amazing caboose. And once again, thank you for joining us this week, Tonja. Love you, girl. And that is it for me. So, until next time, take care, stay safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a fantastic day and go have some fun.